So we did get some questions. People are asking a lot about base stuff. So that's definitely something I'm about to get in. So if we had a third display method that inherited a third inherited class, the keyword override would be used again, or should we use virtual override in the second class? Yes, override would be used again. So if I said class stuff is person, I could say public override display again. Okay, so what we can do here is let's go ahead and talk about the behavior of constructors as it relates to inheritance, because this becomes incredibly important and something that a lot of people get confused about. So let's go ahead and talk about constructors. I'm going to add a constructor to the person type, and it's going to take in a string first name and a string last name, and it's going to set first name to first name and last name to last name. Now, we will get some compiler errors, however. The obvious ones is that we get compiler errors down here, so we have to change this to Nelson Lackey, just like we did. I mean, that should be pretty straightforward at this point, because this now doesn't have a default constructor. The only constructor it has is the one that takes in 2 string parameters, which we have to specify. We have to do the same thing down here, so I'm going to do that right here by saying get string first name, comma, get string last name. So now those compiler errors go away.